I don't know why I'm about to say welcome back, but I am. So welcome back, and in case you've somehow seen some of my videos, because I haven't made any. Well, I made them too. Shut up. But yeah, I'm about to start fishing. If you, I'm just gonna shut up. Ooh, get off there! I found a whole hot dog. Any more ants on it? I found a hot dog from earlier while I was fishing with my friend. I can use it. I got all the ants off of it. See? Let's go. I found a hot dog now. Take this bumper off. Nah, you know what? They can stay. Alright. See. There. That should be a big enough piece. Maybe even too big for bluegill, but it's fine. I'm happy today. With a hot dog. Oh, damn. Anyways, yeah, like I was saying, I didn't say anything. I really need to start making like scripts or something. But yeah, I've been going fishing for about 4 years, I think. Not too long, but not too bad. I'm doing something. I'm not horrible. I mean horrible. Oh. Yeah, I need to get it like or on there like that. Alright, well this hot dog's probably gonna be gone really fast because I'm not that good at fishing. Yeah. Get off there, little ant. You know, I'm not terrible, but I'm not good either, so, you know, I don't even have any crankbait, and I've been person. Anyways, like I was saying, there's just a person there. I didn't want to seem crazy. And, yeah, like I was saying, I don't even know my own crankbait. Thinking about buying one. I might. I probably will. Not with my mom, though. I don't got a rod over there. I got a rod here, as you can see. Yeah. That I'm gonna take. Indeed. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah. Oop. Okay, then. Let's see. I do this now. I screwed up again. Dang, man. It's not Christmas. Shut up, Nathan. Get out of here, bugs. No one likes you. Anyways. Okay. I think I need, like, to hook it on better. I don't know. Maybe you could comment that. I can, I can see it. That'll be, yeah. Just shut up. Hey, bugs. Okay. I mean, how cold is that? What's this gonna do? Son of a B-word. Bitch. Okay, anyways. I think I was saying someone coming. Yeah, but I don't know what crankbait I should probably use because I like to catch bass. I can do it, I just don't do it often because I'm not that good. There you go. Don't slightly take it off the hook. Or take the hook from the rock with you. Please and thank you. Look, put that little thing on there. Nah, that's okay. Yeah, caught a small guy, but you know he's something. Hey, stop! Stop it! Stop it! Right there. Ooh, you're slimy, aren't you? Yeah, I caught this guy. Yeet! Oh shoot, I missed. He landed in the water, right? Ooh. That's I don't have my lure anymore. It's something. I mean my bait, but I still caught something. It's not the biggest nor the smallest. I've caught smaller because I'm not that good, but you know. Just shut up. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm gonna be in the YouTube. Okay, that should be good. Told you I suck, but not that much. Ow, shoot. Mother fudger. Mr. Blue. Here comes the sun. Doo, doo, doo. Oh, I know. You want it? Got it. Whoop, whoop. Oh. I really need to do better with this. I need to make my daddy proud. Yeah, take this stuff. Oh, should I have done that? But, it's whatever. Hey. No friends around. So I can say whatever I want. And I could be weird however I want. Because I'm the only person around right here. Right now. I need to stop yanking it though, I swear. It's okay, it's okay. It was 10%. Oh no.